Welcome to Skelwith Avenue in Great Lever. We're here to look at this 3-bedroom property, which is set behind vehicle access gates that lead to the driveway. And we've got this pretty front garden and off-road gated driveway car parking, of course. Brick built, but as I've just shown you, this is what is outside your front door. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. Really nice position. Just show you the street scene a little bit. And I've just quietened down there just so you can perhaps hear the bird song. Really quiet position. Absolutely fantastic. You can see up on the roof there as well. We've got CCTV cameras, there's an alarm system, and it's a superb example. Let's go inside and we'll have a look around. Welcome inside. So we've stepped in through the entrance door and we've got the tall matching UPVC window to the side. So this whole area is really nicely flooded with natural light. And then as we turn left, we're stepping into the living room, which in turn opens up into the dining area. I'll pull that door to behind us, and then you can have a proper look at this gorgeous fireplace. So we've got the marble hearth, and it's living flame gas fire with nice detailing on the timber surround. I particularly like those ladybirds on there. Radiator to the front, we've got the aspect towards the green field in the centre area, which is superb to look at. And then, like I say, the lounge area opens up into the dining area, and we also have these sliding patio doors which open out onto the rear garden. I will of course show you outside there in due course. Just have one last look back at the lounge, and then we'll step into the kitchen, which is just behind me. So I'll spin it round. We've got a nice contrasting range. It's sort of this anthracite colour on the base units, and then white up at the top. We've got double oven grill, electric hob with extractor, space for the fridge freezer just over here, and an excellent range of matching units. This overlooks the back garden as well from over the sink, and the door out to the rear is just through there. But first of all, we'll have a look upstairs, and then we'll have a look at the back garden. So we've stepped upstairs and we're on the first floor landing, which is a generous size. Plenty of space up here, and the loft access point is there. There's a radiator on here, and first of all we'll have a quick look in the shower room. So it's a white 3-piece shower room suite with WC, pedestal wash, hand basin and corner shower enclosure. We've got the extractor, spotlighting, radiator and towel rail, and ceramic wall tiling. Back onto the landing, and first of all we'll look in the master bedroom. Now this is a really good size room. As you can see, we've got 2 windows in here, so maybe, perhaps, there's potential for this room to be split if you wanted to maybe make separate bedrooms. So maybe that's something that can be considered, but it's a superb size for a master bedroom. And of course, to the front, we've got the aspect over, I suppose, what I'd call the village green. the central grassed area, which is fantastic. Storage space on the landing, of course, and then we're stepping into the second bedroom. Again, a generous double-sized room. This one also has the fitted bedroom furniture, and there's some lovely countryside just beyond here. So if you wanted to get out on the bicycle or get out for a walk or a run, there's beautiful countryside to explore. And I'll open up in here and just show you This is where the main, is the brand name main gas combination central heating boiler is. So that's enclosed in that wardrobe there. And this gives us a nice aspect over the garden, which we'll go out and have a proper look at. Last but by no means least is bedroom 3. Predominantly being used as a storage room at the moment. We've got built-in wardrobe space, UPVC window, radiator, and this gives us the aspect over the rear, and you can see that this roof is in good condition at the rear. So in fact, let's now go outside and have a look at the back garden. Welcome outside. So we've stepped out and we're in the rear garden, of course. As you can see, we've got this fantastic patio area just to the rear of the property, and then the lawned garden area is separated by this low-level brick wall with pedestrian gate, and the gardens are really, really well maintained. As you can see, the lawns are cut pristinely, the flower beds are all turned over, and there's some lovely shrubs and small trees to the borders. I'll just walk to the far end and then spin the camera around. Now you can have a look at the rear of the property, and again you can see the condensing boiler upstairs, and the roof looks in good order. Brickwork all looks fine. It's a superb example, this one, but I do want to show you just in here, because this is excellent external storage space. Really, really good for the garden equipment and whatnot. Safe place for children to play on the lawn areas, and it's fully enclosed. Beautiful home. Fantastic example, and it's in a wonderful, wonderful position. Any queries, any questions, please give us a call, and to arrange a viewing it's 01204 381 281. 01204 381 281. Thanks so much.